Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Jeera Samba rice. This aromatic short-grain variety is a staple in many South Indian dishes. First, it's crucial to wash 1 cup of the rice thoroughly under cold, running water until the water is completely clear. This step removes excess starch, ensuring a fluffy texture. For perfect results, remember the golden ratio: 1 3/4 cups of water for every 1 cup of rice. This precise measurement is key to achieving that ideal consistency. For the stovetop method, combine your washed rice and the precise amount of water in a heavy-bottomed pot. Bring it to a vigorous boil over medium-high heat. As soon as it reaches a rolling boil, reduce the heat to its lowest setting, cover the pot tightly, and let it simmer undisturbed for about 15 to 18 minutes. The rice is ready when all the water has been absorbed and the grains are perfectly tender. Avoid lifting the lid during this crucial cooking period. If you prefer using a pressure cooker, simply add the washed rice and the measured water to the cooker. You can also add a small pinch of salt at this stage for enhanced flavor. Secure the lid and cook on high pressure until you hear 1 whistle, or alternatively, cook for 5 minutes on low pressure. Once the cooking time is complete, turn off the heat and allow the pressure to release naturally for a full 10 minutes before carefully opening the lid. This ensures perfectly cooked. Separate grains. Once your Jeera Samba rice is cooked, whether on the stovetop or in a pressure cooker, gently fluff it with a fork. This simple action helps separate the grains, preventing them from clumping together. Serve this aromatic rice hot, as it pairs wonderfully with a variety of curries, flavorful stews, or as a delightful base for any traditional South Indian meal. Remember, avoiding overstirring and maintaining the precise water ratio are key to achieving that perfectly fluffy texture every time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.